wait till you see these swatches. This is amazing. Amazing. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my Ipsy and my Boxycharm by Ipsy for you guys today for October. So what I like to do in these videos is I go ahead and open these up, try out the goodies inside so I can kind of share some little like mini reviews, first impressions on these products, and a lot of them I have on my face. And yeah, just doing a fun little unboxing slash first impressions video on my October Ipsy and Boxycharm. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites, new at the drugstore reviews, empties, get ready with me's. Just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it. If you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while, I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's get to it. Oh, and before I forget to say, these were sent to me by Ipsy. So thank you so much to Ipsy for sending these my way. Okay, so starting with my Ipsy bag, let's get in here. Here is the bag itself. So first off, I got a lotion. So I tried this yesterday, the Hey Honey. This is what it looks like. Hey Honey, Love Your Body Shea Butter and Honey Body Lotion. It says daily hydrating cream for soft, radiant skin. It says softens and replenishes moisture to the skin. So I did try a little bit of this on my hand yesterday. Scent-wise, this almost like has a herbal, fresh, like herbal fresh, almost kind of like fresh cut grass is kind of what I smell. Yeah, that's like really the closest I would say. But I'm not the best at describing scents, but it does have that fresh kind of herbal sort of scent to it. So I don't mind the scent actually. I mean, it's not like my favorite. I like more kind of like vanilla, fruity. Those are my favorite sort of scents. But this one does have a nice kind of fresh scent to it. Feels pretty moisturizing, which is nice. So yeah, and these are always kind of nice for travel or throwing in your purse or whatnot. Okay, next up I got, what do we want to do next? I got some good makeup in this one, which is very exciting. Oh, things are dropping. Things are dropping. I got a lip liner set, and I'm wearing this right now. This is the Lucky Chick Precision Long Lasting Lip Liner Duo, and the two colors are Sweetie and Lovey. That's adorable. That is so cute. Here's what the packaging looks like. So it's a retractable. Let me get these swatched and I can show it to you. So what I did is I did the more kind of like reddish, warm toned, rosy shade. I did this one as a true lip liner and then kind of filled in my lips with this one. These seem nice. Now they are less of that kind of creamy gel texture that works well for filling in your lips. This seems like more of a true lip liner. Has a little bit more of that like tacky sort of formula to it. So I would use these more as a true lip liner versus filling in my lips with them. But that's not a negative to them. That's just kind of describing the formula. I like them. This one's my favorite color for sure. This one I think works best for me. I do have it layered with something else. But there are those. I like those. So that's always exciting to get makeup. Then I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I like this mascara. It's one, sometimes I forget about it, but every time I use it, I'm like, I really like this mascara. I like the wand on it. I feel like you can get to your lashes with it. So it's just a good kind of shaped wand. It's like a brush. It doesn't seem plasticky to me. This is of course a little cute, adorable mini, but I think this gives good length, but especially good volume, which volume is like, I mean, I want all the things with mascara. I want length, I want volume. I don't necessarily want that like separated, fluttery lash look. That's not what I'm going for, but length, volume, those are the main things I'm going for, and I think this totally gives it. So I'm excited to have this, a little cute, adorable mini of this. That's exciting and good. Then I was gonna say the liner. No, the gloss that I have on my lips is this. This is the Dew of the Gods Sorbet Mini Hyaluronic Lip Butter, and this is in Strawberry Mandarin. Oh my goodness, I love this. This feels so nice and hydrating on the lips. It's this kind of an applicator to it. This smells amazing. Like strawberry candy or something. I love the scent of it. It feels very hydrating. I would use this more as a true lip butter, like you know, at nighttime before bed or whatever, but it does pair really nicely over a liner. Like, it looks pretty and glossy on the lips, but the main thing is that it feels very hydrating and it smells amazing. So I love, oh, I was about to forget my favorite thing in here. The last thing in here, I got a blush. This is from Moonslice Beauty blush, and this is in Beautiful, which adorable. Here is the box on it. So I do have this on paired with something else. This is so beautiful. I love this. I love this color. Great formula to it. It's a nice, I would say, matte. Yeah. Well, satin to matte. It's not like a flat, dry looking matte or anything like that. A nice matte is how I would describe it. But a beautiful kind of brighter corally pink or something. Ooh, it's so good. It's pigmented but blends well. I love this color. Really like the formula. This is definitely a win. So I think this is a very good bag. I would say my favorite things in here, definitely the blush. That's my absolute favorite. The mascara, because I already love this, and I would say probably the lip butter. These are my absolute favorites, but I like the other things too. Oh wow, and these lip liners are not coming off. So long wearing liners, so just so you know. Yeah, wow, I had to use like a heavy duty eyeliner to get those lip liners off, so they seem nice and long wearing. Okay, now on to my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I got the Frank Body Smoothing AHA Body Lotion, and it says made with lactic and glycolic acid to exfoliate and hydrate at the same time. Let's see. This AHA combination of lactic and glycolic acid gently buffs away dry, dead skin while you go about your day, giving you soft skin instantly and over time. Use me in conjunction with SPF, it says, because those are, you know, exfoliating acids. Okay, I did try this on my arm last night. Let me put just a little bit more on my arm to try it again because I don't remember. Oh yes, okay, this is very spa-like in the smell. I don't know if it's lavender. I don't know if it's that, but it has that very spa-like, again, kind of fresh, grassy or something sort of a scent to it. So I like the scent once again. And when I put this on my arm, you're not going to be able to probably see well, but when I put this on my arm last night and then compared it to my other arm, I could definitely see a difference. I mean, even when I use regular lotion, of course that's going to happen because hydrated skin looks different than not hydrated skin. And my skin, I need to actually moisturize my body. I need to actually use body lotion regularly. But you know what I'm saying? Even a regular lotion will make a difference, but I do feel like I could see a significant difference between my arms after using this. Just like a smoothing, hydrated, yeah, smooth look to the skin. So I was pretty impressed. So I think if you're looking for a product like this and you like that kind of herbal scent, I think you would like that. It seems good. Okay, then I got an old favorite. I used to use this, and this is definitely a skincare favorite. I just kind of forget about it sometimes. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It says intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. So this has always been one that when, like, I think about a good hydrating product for sensitive skin, I always think about this. Of course, everybody, it's always an individual thing, like what sensitivities do you have, all those kind of things. So keep that in mind for sure. But I think this is just so nice. I will say, I mean, it's like a thick hydrating cream. I will say, I remember this being thicker, but maybe I'm just forgetting because I've used, you know, other skincare products. I mean, y'all know I try a lot of skincare. This is very nice and hydrating, but it's not an overly thick, heavy cream. So if you don't like that feeling of heavy creams, but you're really wanting the hydration, this really has it. It's very nice. So I'm always excited to get this. This is a big old tub. So this is plenty from people. I used this last night and I put it all over my face, all onto my neck and décolleté. And yes, it just feels nice and hydrating. So it's just a good hydrating cream. You know what I mean? Then next up I got this. This is the Delish Lip Scrub. So here is the box. Here is the product itself. So I tried this last night. This is interesting. First off, I really couldn't smell any scent to it. which a lot of times, I don't know why, I think of lip scrubs, I think of like fruity scent, or usually they have kind of like a fruity, the ones I've tried have had like a fruity scent. So that's what I'm used to. This doesn't seem to have a scent to it. And at first it was kind of like, it seemed like it had sort of, you had to get down into the product. You know what I mean? So once I got down into the product, it is kind of a chunkier sort of a scrub to it, but it seemed to do the job. I mean, I don't remember to use lip scrubs regularly. So I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of this. I should use lip scrubs regularly, but I kind of forget. But this does seem like it did the job. If you like a kind of thicker, chunkier sort of lip scrub, I think you would like this, and especially if you don't want one that's scented. To me, I'm not smelling a scent to this. Don't quote me on it, but I don't smell anything to this. So there is that. Then next up, I was very excited to see this in here. So excited. This is the Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush, and I got the shade Peach. So I do have this on layered with the powder blush that I got in my Ipsy bag. So I have this on, I put this on first. This is what it looks like. It's this kind of packaging where you like kind of open it, you turn this to open it and then squeeze and it comes up through the little sponge tip applicator. This is very pretty. It's a pretty light, glowy peach. So this is, for me, like kind of it's a blush, but it's moving towards a highlighter for sure, because it's lighter and it has a lot of glow to it, but it's really pretty and it blended nicely onto the skin. And I like the glowy look to it. So I will use this more as a blush topper slash highlighter kind of product, but I didn't have any blending issues with it. I like the beautiful kind of glowy peach color. I'm very excited. I would love this in like a pinky color because I wear pinks a lot, but I really like that. Standout favorite for sure. Then I got, I think this is the last thing. Yeah, last thing in here, I got this palette. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited about a palette. I always get excited about a palette. This is the Eloise Goddess palette. So this is what this looks like. Let me show you a look inside. Wait till you see these swatches. This is amazing. Amazing. Isn't that so crazy pigmented? Wait till you see the silver. I mean, I have this one on the inner part of my lid, this one more on the kind of middle to outside part of my lid. Hello. That's amazing. This one's probably my favorite because it almost has like a little bit of micro shimmer to it. It's very metallic, but then has a little hint of a shimmer. Wow. I mean, wow. Just wow. Those are just amazing. Just kind of showing you that, yeah, even like a full swatch looks the same as just a quick holding up a swatch this way. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Like a bluish purpley duochrome. Wow. I am so impressed with this. I have this one on my lid and into my crease. This one is my brow bone, kind of cleaning up my brow bone. This one I said like middle to outer part of my lid. This one in the inner part of my lid, inner third or so. Love it. No blending problems whatsoever to the matte shades, and these are just crazy pigmented. I did use them with a setting spray, but I don't even think they need that. They're just beautiful. Definitely a favorite. So I would say in this box, this is a standout favorite. The blush is a standout favorite, and then the cream. These are definitely my favorites for sure in here. So really good box. Okay, so those are all the goodies that I got in my Ipsy and Boxycharm. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up if you did. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link. But if you do, thank you so much. I would love to know what you got in yours, what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.